Hi, and welcome to Tina Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this makeup look is inspired by the Harry Potter Hogwarts house of Hufflepuff. Now, a while back, I did a Ravenclaw look because I'm a Ravenclaw, and I had to do it first. And I was like, okay, I want to do the other houses. So I was like, okay, let's start with Hufflepuff. So here we are. I love how this look turned out, and if you want to see how I created it, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. By the way, if you see any spots that look like glitter, that is glitter. I just had to completely drop a look I was doing, and it had like full face of glitter almost, so that's fun. By the way, I'm sinking. Great. So I just had to completely drop a full look, but we're going to continue on. And today for Hufflepuff, we'll be going into the MAC Art Library palette and its designer. The first shade I'm going to take is Chrome Yellow, which I was editing a video when I used this palette, and I was like completely shocked with how pigmented this is. This is like one of the best yellows out there, just saying. I'm going to take that and put that high into the crease. To help transition to the next shade I'm going to use, I'm going to take Can't Afford This. I'm going to put that just lower into the crease. Now I'm going to take Carbon and place that in the outer third of the eye, slightly into the crease, and on the main portion, on the outer half of the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to reshape this inner portion of my eye using my liquid catsuit. I'm going to then top it off with If It Ain't Baroque. By the way, fun pun stolen from a Disney movie. Okay, I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go take care of this eye off camera, do my full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I'm loving how this is looking. So now we're going to go back to the eyes. And honestly, I'm going to do my usual trick of just taking the same colors I used to top down below. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to take the M Resi highlighter and place that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to run a black in my waterline, and I'll be right back. And for lipstick today, I'll be taking the Wet n Wild Perfect Palette lipstick in the shade First Place Winner, which is a beautiful gold. Okay, I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. Ooh. By the way, I did top the lipstick with a little bit of If It Ain't Baroque, just because I wanted to show up a little bit more, and I thought the gold that's on the eye would match. So yeah. Again, I really like how this turned out, and so much better than my last look, that's all I have to say. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time you listen to a video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!